Hello and welcome to another HWM Caterham video. Today I'm here to walk you around this phenomenally well-spec'd 420R SV. This one was originally detonator yellow, but it's been wrapped in Riviera blue with triple yellow stripes as well. It's covered just over 9,500 miles and it's had only 2 owners from new. So let's take a walk around together and talk about some of the cool features on it. So starting off at the front of the 420, this is obviously the 420R SV. So being the R pack, you do get things like the upgraded master brake cylinder, lightweight flywheel, limited slip diff, and also this sports suspension pack which comes on it as standard. Some of the optional upgrades this guy's done originally was the LED headlights with the clear lens pack and the carbon fibre indicator pods. Again, condition wise for the front of the car is in really good condition. So moving on down to the side of the 420, we'll start off by talking about the wheels. So these are the 13-inch black Apollo wheels wrapped around on the Avon ZZS tyres. You also get on the R-Pack standard the black pack, which puts a black finish on the headlights around, the windscreen surround, and also the carbon stone guards just here on the rear arch. You get a side exit exhaust as standard. Optional spec includes the master battery cut-off switch, and this one's also been spec'd with the doors and the full weather protection, and also you get a painted roll bar in white. So moving on down to the rear of the Caterham, we'll start off by talking about the lights. So these are the LED daytime running lights as well, which come as standard on these model years, and you also do get the optional carbon vinyl boot cover spec'd on this car. So moving on to the interior of the Caterham, we'll start off by talking about lots of the options that's been spec'd on this car. Wheel is the suede Momo quick release steering wheel. You also do get the sequential shift lights, and the dashboard is a 620 style dashboard finished in this gloss carbon. These are the carbon heated seats from Tillit, which has been spec'd with the 4-point harness. You can heat them by pressing the button just in front of the gear knob, and you also do get this lovely carbon vinyl that runs throughout the centre section of the interior. And that brings us to the end of the video on this lovely Caterham 420R SV. If you want to know anything more about the service history or the specification, then please give us a call on 01932 240 611 or visit the link in the website down below. Thank you for watching.